Resort-style living meets timeless craftsmanship in this exceptional 4-bedroom, 4 and 1/2 bath home in Queensferry. This home features hardwood floors throughout the main living areas and a saltwater pool retreat. Step inside to a spacious great room where cathedral ceilings, built-in cabinetry, gas log fireplace, and accent lighting set the stage for gatherings of any kind. French doors and expansive windows open to views of the pool and landscaped backyard, blending the comfort of indoor living with the serenity of a private outdoor retreat.